National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Northwestern Chester County in upstate South Carolina, Southern York County in upstate South Carolina, Southeastern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, Southeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of Gaffney to 5 miles northwest of Union to 10 miles northeast of Lawrence, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Union, Monarch Mill, Buffalo, Jonesville, Lockhart, Sharon, Carlisle, Hickory Grove and McConnells. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Lawrence, Spartanburg, Union, and York. A severe thunderstorm